Her hands, I would hold them all day if she'd let me. Her life, she hates it but it drives me crazy. She's so beautiful.